Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome everybody. We are welcoming you on behalf of Project Management Association. We are honored to welcome Engineer Waleed Elbasyouni in the AI Project Management Hackathon. Engineer Waleed is the PMO director at Desara, bringing over 18 years of experience in portfolio program and project management. His expertise covers PMO leadership, governance, board, strategic management, and change management across the MENA region. Uh, this is the second webinar we are taking as a series in our AI hackathon under title of AI-powered early risk warning management. Again, we are welcoming you, Engineer Waleed, and take the lead.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you very much, Muhammad, and all the supporting team here in the Project Management Association and all the team entire the global project management forums for giving me this great opportunity to be part of this great community and to be one of the mentors that will lead the AI implementation at the Project Management Hackathon 2026. This is a very interesting time to be participate, contribute, and leading this kind of a change in the project management mindset, the organization and all industries' vision that affected and will be affected by the artificial intelligence AI. So what we have today, inshallah, during the upcoming 30 or 45 minutes, inshallah, I will going to go over for a few slides to present my proposed use case that I will lead and will be the mentor for it during the AI in a project management hackathon. As you see here, as you all see here, my proposed use case will emphasize into the risk management, especially in the multi-portfolio PMOs. The use case is the AI-powered early warning system to create a proactive risk prediction for a multi-portfolio PMOs. Before we deep dive in the presentation, let me first introduce myself. My name is Waleed Elbasyouni. I am an organizational project management consultant and PMO expert with more than 18 years of experience in leading portfolio program and project management offices, PMOs into the government and private sectors in the MENA region. And also I need here to introduce giving you an introduction about the hackathon before we deep dive in the presentation. Here I want to give you a quick overview about the hackathon. As you see here, the AI in the Project Management Hackathon 2026 is presented by the GBMF, the Global Project Management Forums, is a structured, innovative lead global initiatives bringing emerging AI capabilities with the real-world project management challenges. And as a mentor here with the GBMF, I will guide the proposed mentees, inshallah, to design and provide a prototype AI-enabled solutions across complex project environments to ensure the team build solutions that are relevant, capable, and also align with the industry realistic. Inshallah, today we have more than 20 mentors already assigned in the hackathon, and I am one of them. And we have specialized use cases distributed to each mentor. Inshallah, today I will talking about my use case during this webinar, inshallah. And also we have more than 100 mentees successfully registered, and I believe the registration process is still open. Maybe my colleagues can support me in this information. The registration process is still open or already closed. Okay, here I want to talk about why this webinar is matters. The main purpose of this webinar is to present the required information that the participants may be looking for to understand very well the proposed use case deeply, and to stand up into the problem statement and the proposed solution or the AI solution direction we will provide, inshallah, during this use case, and also how to build the readiness to walk away with a clear deliverable use case implementation in this use case, inshallah. I need also to highlight the webinar timeline. I distributed this timeline of the current webinar into four main parts. The first one is to emphasize more about the problem deeping dive, to identify to and clarify the problem statement about the use case. And also I need to highlight what is the proposed AI solution I proposed to my colleagues so to go ahead with this use case. And also I provide some information about the mentorship and expectation. And also finally I will leave the floor, inshallah, by the end of this seminar or webinar to everyone looking for any kind of question. Let me first give you some information about the problem statement. From my perspective as a project manager and the PMO director for more than 18 years, I believe the real issues regarding the portfolio risk management isn't the risk occurs. It is a late of dedication. Because the PMOs that managing multiple portfolios struggle to proactively identify and prioritize emerging risk occurs their concurrency projects. Unfortunately, I found most of PMOs using the traditional risk management realize on periodic manual review, sometimes using a subjective assessment and reactivate response with the project risk. That leading the project manager and the BMO directors to late dedication of the critical issues, cascading failures across interdependent projects, and also the resource allocation in efficiency way. In addition, the BMOs also lack a real-time visibility into a cross-portfolio risk pattern and early indicators that could prevent cost overrun, schedule delay, and sometimes the project will be failures. So what is the proposed AI solution I was proposed? So here I proposed my mentees and looking for some of the feature of this solution or AI solution. I'm looking for an intelligent early warning system that continuously monitors multiple data streams across all portfolio projects to predict and flag emerging risk 2 or 4 weeks before they're becoming critical using the AI. I'm also suggest this proposed system that we'll be working on to should be analyze a multiple dimension of data like project schedule, project cost, budgeting, and the resource utilization, etc. And also the pattern recognition to identify the risk pattern from historical project data, and also cross-portfolio collaboration to dedicate corresponding risk scenarios across interdependent project. And as well as we have here also the system shall be have the automated alerts, triggers notification to the PMO and the project manager's team when the risk threshold are occurred, we need to use an automated alerts to give a notification or early notification for the project management and the project managers for it. And for sure, it should have a predictive dashboard here to visualize the portfolio health with forecasted risk response. Finally, regarding the AI and the technical consideration, we have no limits for anybody to use any kind of AI tools, generative AI, large language model, deep learning, machine learning, any kind of softwares anybody can use, and any of automation tools, etc. You can use it to propose this solution or to occur this solution by the end of the hackathon. Additionally, I need to highlight here what is the most, or what is the many challenges we can face it here to implement this use case. From my perspective and from my experience, I believe we need to be more realistic about the risk management. As you know, anyone working in risk management already using or already using the AI may facing many challenges in the real world, like the data availability, the data consistency, the trust in AI itself, and also the change resistance. And in order to overcome these challenges, I believe the key success factors for this many challenges is the explainability builds trust between all parts. This means the model that shows AI systems are more transparency and understanding of this case will be the winning model by the end of the hackathon. The third point I need to highlight it here. Okay, let's jump into the mentoring or the mentorship and expectation. The mentorship here, I'm talking about myself as a mentor role. The mentor role here, as we identified in the Project Management Association, is the brain of the hackathon use case. The brain of the hackathon use case. So my role here as a mentor in the use case is to ensure the team build solutions that are relevant, credible, and aligned with the industry realities. And I will, inshallah, provide my effort, inshallah, to all the mentees here through three main levels. I have a chat here. ليش مش بالعربي؟ اعتقد مش بالعربي لان معظم الحضور معنا من غير الناطقين بالعربيه، او حتى لو معنا احد من غير الناطقين بالعربيه، يعني لابد ان احنا نحترم عدم حديثهم باللغه العربيه يعني. I'm sorry for this contraption. Okay. As I mentioned before, inshallah, I will provide my support for my mentees during this hackathon through three main levels. The first level is the strategic responsibility level. This to provide the industry context and the problem framing. And also, I will provide the engagement level to support the team entire the implementation phase itself, and also, and finally, the quality assurance level to make sure the team's narrative that clearly communicates through the problem approach outputs and the use case impacts. Inshallah, my mentorship, inshallah, with my mentees, and I will distribute the relationship between the mentor and the mentees as you see here. I will distribute the team into two main categories. The first one is the business team, and the second one is the technical team. I will distribute, inshallah, the team, my team, into two main business teams, into two main categories: the business team and the technical team. My team will be around 10 participates, males and females, and I will be with the team, inshallah, during the upcoming phases, starting from now, today, through the building phase in April and May 2026, and inshallah even the submission phase or submission process by the 20 of May to 2026. Yeah, for everyone asking me for the key milestones and the schedule for this hackathon, inshallah, we have 7 key milestones. One of them is done today, is the use case webinar. This already occurred in today. And then from tomorrow, inshallah, I will kick off with my team. Then by the 10th of May, the prototype, the development shall be done through this date, the 10th of May 2026. And also then we have 4 important milestones. The first one is submission deadline will be on 20 of May 2026. And also the final presentation evaluation will be on 30 of May. The winner announcement will be on 6th of June. And also the final thing is the last milestone will be the GBMF 2026 finals showcase that will be held in Riyadh on 13 of June 2026. The last slide in this presentation, I wanted to highlight it here, the awards recognition and the GBMF 2026 showcase. The GBMF team developed a scoring framework or criteria from 10 marks distributed as you see here. We have 10 marks for each use case. We will mark it accordingly. We distributed as you see here. The innovation and the AI application will be taken 20%. The prototype quality will be taken 20%. The problem relevance 15%, the technical design 15%, the business impact 15, and the presentation 10, and the mentor engagement and collaboration will take it 5%. At the end, we will have the AI hackathon champion of the or the grand winner here, which will be the top team across all evaluation dimension. Let's call it the grand winner or the AI hackathon champion. And also we have the runner-up teams, which will be the top score for the second and third teams with strong and well executed and innovative solution. And lastly, we will have a special awards for the best AI innovation, the best business impact, and the best technical execution, etc. And as we always say, everyone involved shall be win. Then by the end, inshallah, by the end of the hackathon, the GBMF will give all winner certificates and mementos, and the selected finalist will present at the GBMF 2026 showcase in Riyadh on 13 of June 2026, and also all participants who complete the programs will receive, inshallah, a participation certificate. This is that's all from my side, and now I will leave the floor for everyone have any kind of questions. Please raise your hands.
Thank you, Engineer Waleed, for sharing this valuable insight. Now we'd like to
Thank you.
open the floor for the question. Please feel free if you have any question, raise your hand or write it in the chat. Okay, now we got one question. What tools did you run or have run inside? Can they be linked to B6 Direct?
As I mentioned today, we have no limits for any kind of tools like Primavera B6, Microsoft Project, Jira, Tailor, anything. You can use any kind of tools you are looking for. Just in case, you need to have a full integrated system with a kind of tools to provide the solution as we mentioned today.
Thank you, Engineer Waleed. We got another question. Whether whether is it related to predictive or traditional waterfall project management and AI implementation?
As I mentioned today in the presentation, my proposed use case will focus on the project management in a proactive project management and the risk management implementation, not a to predict the risk management entire the portfolio PMOs. I believe one of the most important things we need to highlight it here. We need to focus on the predictive life cycle in a project management and focus on the proactive and the predictive life cycle in the risk management also, and how to implement this cycle with the AI implementation during the project management.
Thank you, Engineer Waleed. Uh, if anyone would like to share or ask question, feel free. Also, we got a follow-up question about the contracting management related to the
I
previous
believe
question.
I believe we have more than 20 mentees, mentors, sorry, and every mentors have his own use case. My use case today, I'm talking about the risk management only. Anybody looking for another use cases for the cost management, contract management, scheduling, and anything related to other use cases, I believe you can coordinate with my colleagues here in GBM and BMA to take another information about the other use cases. Mr. Bilal, can we have a copy of the presentation? Yeah, sure. Inshallah, I will share the presentation with my colleagues, and inshallah, we'll share it with all mentees and the participation, inshallah.
Okay, I believe we reach our end of the session. Thank you everyone for your questions and active participation. Special thanks again to Engineer Waleed for this insightful session. We appreciate your time and we hope this session provided valuable insight to support your project and have a great evening.
Thank you so much, Muhammad, and thank you everyone who attended this event. And looking forward for all participation and for professionals to sign up into the AI project management hackathon. And I will be also very happy to hire from your side, inshallah. Finally, I need to أذكركم ونفسي بدعاء فضل المجلس. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله.